Let's step back in time to the 1950s when the first sparks of artificial intelligence were about to ignite. The era of digitization was in its early stages and brilliant minds were already pondering the possibility of creating a thinking machine. A central figure in this landscape was Alan Turing, a mathematical genius and a pioneer of computer science. He laid the groundwork for much of what we now call artificial intelligence. In 1950, Turing proposed what became known as the Turing test. This test posited that if a machine could communicate so convincingly as to induce a human to believe they were interacting with another human, then it could be considered intelligent. From here, doors opened to a slew of revolutionary ideas about AI. Scientists embarked on exploring how machines could simulate human mental processes such as reasoning and problem-solving. Over the ensuing decades, as computer technology advanced, the first AI programs emerged. These programs, though rudimentary, were laying the foundations for what would become the field of AI. One key direction was symbolic logic, an approach that sought to represent human reasoning through symbols and logical rules. This marked the beginning of a new era of optimism where AI was believed to be attainable through the manipulation of symbols and explicit knowledge. Programs utilizing symbolic logic rules could solve complex problems, but they proved limited in understanding context and adapting to novel situations. But as in any story, challenges and impending changes loomed that would redefine AI in astonishing ways. In the 1980s and 1990s era, enthusiasm for the possibilities of AI reached new heights. As computer technologies continued to evolve, the vision of intelligent and autonomous machines seemed closer than ever. During this period, scientists and researchers were developing expert systems which were programs designed to emulate human expertise in specific fields such as medicine and engineering. These expert systems held promise, but what wasn't foreseen was the complexity and vastness of human knowledge and the context in which it was applied. As research progressed, insurmountable challenges for symbolic AI began to emerge. Understanding natural language, visual perception, and adapting to changing situations proved far more intricate than initially imagined. By the late 1980s, the initial enthusiasm gave way to a phase known as the AI winter. Progress stalled, funding dwindled, and public interest waned. This period of disillusionment prompted critical reflection on the direction AI was taking and the realistic expectations that could be held. However, from this darkness emerged a new approach that would completely revolutionize AI, machine learning, and neural networks. In the 1990s, researchers began modeling artificial neural networks, drawing inspiration from the functioning of the human brain. These computational models allowed machines to learn from data and progressively improve their performance. This new approach, known as deep learning, had a seismic impact on AI. With increased computing power and the availability of massive amounts of data, deep neural networks showcased their potential in applications like image recognition and natural language processing. And thus, artificial intelligence was reborn with renewed vitality and optimism was rekindled. However, this was only the beginning of an even more ambitious journey. In the next chapter, we will further explore the revolution of artificial intelligence through the lens of deep learning and its remarkable applications. Don't miss the upcoming segment of this exciting journey through AI history. It's time to step back and reflect on the incredible progress we've witnessed so far and contemplate what the future of AI might hold. We've traversed the foundational phases of AI, from its theoretical roots and early experiments to the optimism of the 1980s and 1990s, followed by disillusionment and then the revolution brought about by deep learning and neural networks. Today, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our society. Its influence stretches from the technology we use daily to the profound ethical challenges we must confront. As we look ahead, endless possibilities arise. AI could lead us into a world of unparalleled innovation and creativity, while also raising profound questions about our own humanity and the direction we're headed. So, dear viewers, I leave you with this thought. Artificial intelligence is a remarkable force shaping our world in ways we never imagined. How we tackle these challenges and opportunities will depend on how we collectively choose to guide the development and implementation of AI. I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about AI? What do you envision for the future? We are only at the beginning of an incredible adventure, and we are all part of it. As we draw this captivating journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the remarkable evolution of artificial intelligence and look ahead to the exciting possibilities that lie on the horizon. It's time to step back and ponder the incredible strides we've witnessed thus far and contemplate the boundless potential that the future of AI holds. We've journeyed through the foundational phases of AI, tracing its roots from theoretical concepts and early experiments through the optimism of the 1980s and 1990s, the AI winter, and the subsequent revolution ushered in by deep learning and neural networks. Today, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our society, permeating every aspect of our lives. Its influence spans from everyday technology to profound ethical challenges that demand our attention. As we cast our gaze into the future, we're met with a canvas of endless possibilities. AI could lead us into a world of unparalleled innovation and creativity, while also raising thought-provoking questions about our own humanity and the trajectory we're setting. And so, dear viewers, I leave you with this contemplation. Artificial intelligence is an awe-inspiring force that's shaping our world in ways we could have only dreamed of. How we navigate these challenges and opportunities will rest upon our collective decisions in guiding AI's ongoing development and application. I encourage you to share your insights and perspectives in the comments section below. What are your thoughts on AI? How do you envision the unfolding AI landscape? We stand at the threshold of an extraordinary journey, and each of us plays a vital role. With this, we bring our expedition through the annals of AI history to a close. Yet the AI story doesn't conclude here. It's an ever-evolving narrative, and it's our privilege and duty to contribute to scripting its upcoming chapters. Thank you for accompanying me on this enlightening adventure, and I urge you to remain inquisitive, adaptable to challenges, and poised to explore the profound potential of artificial intelligence. Until we meet again as the saga of innovation continues.